In my head, I see you all the time. Oh, seems so real, so beautiful and bright. But as I go to reach my hand out to you, what seems so real was in my head, and you are just another dream. From all the memories I locked up away inside my heart, I'm gathering the ones of you and never letting go of them. I'm playing out the memories of us, linking them together. I just play, I can feel the pain I felt when I first let go of you. We've got too far, we're dying, kinda let the light in. We're running out of life, the flowers died, and now the roots are giving out, they just can't give more. I still have your glass, sitting beside my glass. There's still a pair, never be used again. They sit and gather dust, they are still a pair. From all the memories I locked up away inside my heart, I'm gathering the ones of you and never letting go of them. I'm playing out the memories of us, linking them together. I just play, I can feel the pain I felt when I first let go of you. You don't have to be the perfect answer, you just have to know all that you're worth. Kind-hearted smiling, but behind those smiles there is so much more. I'm gathering, my tears fill up an ocean, so I can swim. Tears I will be us again. I made you wait so long, I'm sorry, but I'm here, are you still there? I will find you again. From all the memories I locked up away inside my heart, I'm gathering the ones of you and never letting go of them. I'm playing out the memories of us, linking them together. I don't wanna fall asleep with only vivid memories of you. Not again. All the words you whispered to me in my ear, I will never forget. They are echoing in my head, always echoing in my head. The warmth that I felt when I was with you, I will never forget. Please don't let it all fade away. Oh, don't let it all fade away. In my head, I see you all the time. Oh, seems so real, so beautiful and bright. But as I go to reach my hand out to you, what seems so real was in my head, and you are just another dream.